In the middle, right there. Oh yeah, that's going to be nice.
Sorry.
I don't know. What do you think?
Si tu laisses une glace pour une fondée, today, I mean.
Just enough to keep the water in.
Yeah.
Hey, Papa. You good? Oh! You look like you were crying. You look like you were crying. Oh, look how pretty it is.
So where do you work this in the middle?
Yeah, behind it.
Where in the middle?
Yeah, anywhere. Wherever you could open it up to make a space. Ooh, it looks so good. In the middle, right there. Hey everyone, we're back. The Severinos are back with another home update, another kitchen update, and in today's video, we have a whole collage full of things for you guys to see. First off, the obvious, look at our backsplash. It's the tea. What do you guys think? Is it nice or not? I absolutely love it, guys. Look how beautiful this looks. So what we're doing right now anyway, he's going to remove it from the wall so that I can have our proverb, my favorite scripture, written within the walls of our home, that it will be blessed and sacred for our family to grow in. Anyway, so I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna jump in every now and then and explain to you what you're seeing, what we're doing. So I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are new to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe. There is no cost to it. It is absolutely free. And if you like our videos, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Please leave us a comment and share our videos with your friends. If you want to recap our kitchen transformation journey, you can go back. We started with episode 1. I believe we are now on episode 9, if I'm not mistaken. So go back and watch all of our videos so that you can see our kitchen build from start to finish. So what's happening now, I'm going to come around in view in just a moment, and I am going to write our scripture on there. This is my absolute favorite scripture. It's love the Lord with all thine heart and lead not on your own understanding. I live, breathe, and I'm so inspired by this proverb. I use this proverb for inspiration and for everything in my everyday life. So I am going to bless our home by having this scripture within our walls in the sacred place that I use the most, which is the kitchen. As you know, the kitchen is the heart of the home. This is where the family gathers. This is where we laugh. This is where we congregate. And this is the perfect spot for it. So enjoy. that adhesive?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's solid. That's perfect.
It's liquid now.
What?
So you can take a check. You want to put wood in it?
Where? I don't know. What do you think? It'll be too much if we do it on that side. But then it'll take away the pretty concrete.
Yeah. Hold it plain like this.
Mm-hmm. I love how the concrete looks.
That's good.
Okay. Wood? Like one of these?
You know, 1 by 6 black. You want to put in black. I don't know. Or what? Like that oil.
I know, you're always saying so.
I like the covering, I like the style.
I like the color. I don't like the old time style.
So what are these you are doing? Where's other stuff?
That's stuff that I'm going to be using to set up everything.
Okay.
So that stuff could stay. And as we set up stuff, I'm going to be using them. So I need to get one light for there and one for the bathroom.
No, so we're going to put AC
Right here.
in there.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Because the bed could be over there, right?
No, the bed is going to be here. The headboard of the bed is going to be here. It's going to be facing like how grandma's bed is facing. So this way.
Or we put bed on top of that.
What we going to need a plug here for?
But the AC can be there. That's the thing. You know what the AC on the bed is going to be?
Well, then it could go on that end. Then it could go on that end. Yeah, so we'll put it on that end. The bed facing this way. Okay. And they're lifting up. See?
Even you can put the one you put inside the house up there.
Oh yeah,
And then you don't have to lift that shit. Just
because
put it
that's
right on
water resistant.
top.
That's water resistant tile.
Some people put it right on top to the wall. You
Yep.
don't have to lift anything.
And it's done. Cool. You see that container house there? Where it is? Wait. They build up that thing like a building. It's 4 containers. This one here, 4 containers.
Oh.
2 and 2.
Look at that thing.
Yeah.
Who built that?
Some white people up there.
Oh.
So I'm gonna go ahead and order the fridge. Tell me
So
stuff.
we're going to just go washing it.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. Okay.
Si tu laisses une glace in the front there, you know what I mean?
Just enough to keep the water in.
Yeah. Because that's why, like Chris Williams, she put a glass in there.
Yeah, well, we'll do that.
Actually,
You want me to bring it to see?
No, before I cut that thing in there, there's 2 pieces of wood in there.
Like to brace it? To brace it? I have to change these. To change these, I ordered these yesterday, 2 black ones. And these are 15 amp ones. I think we need 20 amp. These wires in here are 15 amp. We don't need 20 amp plugs for like using the blender, microwave.
No, I think it's fine.
You sure?
Yeah, but you will find out. Yeah, it's over the pro.
So if you have to change it, you have to break the wall?
What?
If you have to change them wires to 20 amp wires, you have to break through the wall to change them?
No, just tie another thing to the wire and pull the string whatever they go, and then pull it back in.
Oh, okay.
What do you think?
You need me to help do anything? Okay, so we're just about there in removing that wood form from underneath the cabinet. We're trying to take it out because we want to get an assessment of how the undermount sink will fit. So once we get that removed, my husband is going to go get that sink and we are going to put it in place just to see what it looks like. That's nothing. He's almost done getting that little piece of wood out. Working in this tiny space is really, really tedious, but we're almost there, and then we're going to show you guys what the sink looks like in its spot. That's where my glasses were. That's where my glasses were. Want me hold it up from the... Oh, perfect. Yay. Yes. Perfect. Look good. You let me hold.
So I got the wood, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So touch it. Just like this.
Just like that. Okay, now I see. I was putting it through the top.
Better?
Yep. Nice.
Huh?
Want me hold it from the bottom? Turn it sideways and then we put it through the top.
I think so, let's see.
You hold it? You want to hold it?
I will keep this at least like maybe like close as possible.
Yes.
And the stone is gonna come close by. So the stone gonna be like maybe over here. Inside that line. You see the mark?
Inside this mark here?
Yeah. Because it will supposed to be here.
So it can't follow like how this one is, like continue from this
No, it
wall?
can't, because we're gonna see the stone. We're gonna see it. You can't. It's not gonna be sitting right on top of the concrete. So if you really think of it, was water, even though a heavy rain start coming from there, how you gonna stop it? You're not gonna stop. Everything gonna come through to the steps. It's gonna be a mess. So the water got running behind and then go behind the thing. The wall. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna wall in there.